morning, my dear friends. So yesterday we were talking an interesting subject which would help change the life of women if it is going to become a revolution, a silent revolution, or a silent prayer by all the women and men as well as for the women folk. Today I'm going to talk about a natural shampoo which can clean your hair and also something related with your hair care. Most of the people today, of course in the fast world, have challenges with keeping their hair right. Early aging, graying of hair, hair fall, dandruff and whatnot because of so many factors. We know it's polluted world and all these things we know about that. I'm not going to discuss about that. So why we have to take some immediate step to take care of our hair and what are we going to do? That is what is the discussion today. So first is every day you have to necessarily apply oil on your hair and keep it at least for 10 minutes. Massage it thoroughly. Keep on massaging with your fingers, I told you that day. And after that, kindly take bath with cold water, not hot water. And don't apply any shampoo. This oil which is in your head, just keep massaging a little bit while you're pouring water. This oil itself will act as a shampoo and conditioner, both 2 in 1. So just keep massaging for some time, pour water, keep massaging, and afterwards give a nice, with a soft towel, wipe the water. And that is fantastic and it will have a glow. A little bit of moisture will be there, and don't think you will have sticky hairs, because when you wash off, all the stickiness of the oil will get washed off, and this will be only the glowing effect of the oil will just remain on your hair. This is one very, very important thing. And at least weekly twice try to have a shampoo bath, and it is not the shampoo which you are going to get from your companies. I don't want to name all chemicals, or sometimes you may have even organic things, but why when you can prepare it in your house? Why when you have natural things? Most of you would be cooking rice, right? And you will be straining that water, the starch water. This is one of the world's best hair wash shampoo. I wish you go and research on why the women in Japan have longest hair in the world, and of course they don't have graying problems till the age of 70 or 80, simply because from the childhood it is tradition that they wash their hair with rice starch, and that too probiotic. That means suppose you are going to drain the starch water today, you are not going to use it today, that water will be kept overnight and next day that water will be used for washing the hair. If you are able to follow this, and somebody may be having cooker and other things, kindly go and browse how to make starch, rice starch, and you can use that. This is the best thing, and I want you to research on it regarding the Japanese tradition of using rice starch for cleaning the hair. You will see dandruff free hair, you will see a glowing hair, soft silky hair, and graying is kept at bay. So I hope this is very interesting. Tomorrow we will catch up with something even more interesting. God bless you all. Bye.